Hi everyone, I just wanted to share that the braised chicken with turmeric and yogurt was absolutely delicious. Took a little bit to prepare, I mean not a whole lot, but more than I normally would, because I'm a sort of a cook that has to be really quick and easy, and I don't have to do too much preparing and cutting. But anyway, look, it was actually absolutely worth it. So I just loved it, and I realized that because I didn't eat until about 2:15 yesterday, and all I had was salad, and for my protein I had feta cheese, that I wouldn't have consumed 800 calories. It would have been just it wouldn't have been 800 calories. So then I decided to make the blueberry yogurt with nut seeds. And so I was thinking that, seeing I don't have breakfast, that for my dinner I'll have the blueberry yogurt as a dessert after my dinner. That way I still keep in the 800 to 900 calorie daily allowance. And that I have enough protein that you're supposed to have in this diet, and all that sort of thing. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. So I'm just sort of improvising, only because I'm not a breakfast eater, and I know the program has all these breakfasts. And because I live on the Gold Coast here in Australia, and it's summer at the moment and it's quite humid, I love having salad, and a lot of the meals on the program are cooked meals, whereas I like having the salad. So I decided that at the moment I'm going to have salad for lunch with feta, or compared as outlined in Dr. Mosley's program. So all good. So today I'm off to lunch with a girlfriend and her beautiful family, and I'm going to have a rump steak with vegetables. So, and I sort of worked out that might be about 500 calories, something like that. And then for dinner, I don't know what I'll have for dinner yet. I'll get back to you. But the place I'm going to lunch is just a beautiful place. It's the Palm Beach Surf Club. I'll take a video of it so you can see what it looks like. And it's got an amazing view of the ocean. And I'm looking forward to spending time with my friends, because look, the way I see it, it's that for 12 weeks, I don't want to have a life. I still have friends. I still want to go out. 12 weeks is a long. I'm now at the Palm Beach Surf Club, and this is the view. Beautiful beach, love it. But today is not a sunny day. Actually, at this very moment, it is spitting on me and ruining my haircut. Yes, so this is where we are. This behind me is the surf club, where I am going to be enjoying a rump steak with vegetables. So very excited, and spending time with my beautiful friends who I haven't seen for a year. And like I said, I can't be 100% rigid because I want to enjoy my time with friends. And but I'm keeping to the criteria, and that is I'm having protein, very low carb, and I'm having vegetables instead of hot chips. I usually have hot chips, and I love hot chips, but I won't be having hot chips. Just thought I'd get a better pic of Palm Beach. It's a very windy day, and the only people in the water are the windsurfers. So I can certainly see why. I just wanted to share the Gold Coast, Palm Beach. This is the Palm Beach end. It's the southern part of the Gold Coast. Absolutely love living on the Gold Coast. So my girlfriend today, when we had lunch, made a comment on that she said, "Oh, Isabella, you've lost weight." And I said, "Well, how can that be? Because I only started this last week." But she says, "Oh, you're looking pretty good." So I decided to take a photo of me, which I've just done. And I mean, look, really, I can't see it. And going by that photo, I've got a ways to go, but I already know that anyway. But anyway, it must have been just something, the way I carried myself, that just made me look slimmer than I am. So, so I'm going to be making a video showing what I'm having for dinner tonight. So stay tuned for that one. So I was sort of thinking, what am I going to have for dinner? Because my lunch was, I would estimate at 418 calories, and that included the ounce of scotch with soda water, béarnaise sauce, and, well, greens. You can have as much as you want. So I had some greens with that beautiful steak. Really, really enjoyed it. And I really didn't want to cook anything because my stomach is quite full from that lunch. So then I thought, right, I'll make the shake, and then I will make the blueberry yogurt and nuts and seeds for dinner tonight. So that's what I've done. The shake and the blueberry yogurt, nuts and seed. 237 calories for the yogurt, 228 for the shake, and it all comes to 883. And of course, the intermediate diet with Dr. Mosley is between 800 and 900 calories. So I'm in my range, and I'll show you what my shake looks like. Look, I tell you, it doesn't look appetizing, but it doesn't taste too bad. So that's the shake with the blueberry yogurt with nuts and seeds all blended together, and I use the vanilla shake, which is the vegan one. So that is the end of my day today. And if you like my videos, please give it a like. If you want to be part of my journey, interested in my journey, please subscribe. And look, also, if you have some comments you can share with me, I'd appreciate that, because I'm always open to some other hints and good ideas. So that's it for now. Bye.